Hello there. Storm Gerrit brought some disruption up and down the country with gales, heavy snow across Scotland, led to some road closures and some localised flooding in places too. Thursday promises to be a little bit quieter, but it's still going to stay pretty windy with gales in places and sunshine and blustery showers. We could see further disruption in some parts of, say, northwest England, north and west Wales with further gales here, and there'll be further snowfall on the Scottish hills. Some of the showers could merge together to produce longer spells of snow here. Low pressure sticks close by, plenty of isobars on the charts again for Thursday, so not as windy as Wednesday, but still a blustery day to come for all areas. Strongest of the winds around northwest England, west Wales. Bands of showers sometimes merging together to produce longer spells of rain, and they could be wintry with some snow over the Scottish hills. And you can see these sorts of wind gusts again in excess of 50 miles an hour in places particularly southern and western areas. England and Wales, perhaps double figure values again, colder further north, but if you factor in the wind, it won't feel like those temperatures suggest. For Friday, we have low pressure sitting to the northeast of Scotland. That's going to bring another day of gales here and further snow showers, which could give rise to some blizzard conditions here, certainly for the northern hours. This band of rain through Northern Ireland, Northern England could have a little bit of winteriness to it as colder air sinks its way southwards. But southern Britain will see sunshine and showers. Temperatures maybe 11 degrees in London. For most, those single digits, it will feel chillier for all on Friday. Now into Saturday, we look to the Atlantic. Another deep area of low pressure will slowly push in through the day. So Saturday starts chilly with some early brightness, but soon wet, windy weather will spread its way northwards, bumping into the cold air, turning readily to snow. North Pennines, certainly across Scotland, maybe even down to lower levels. Factor in the strong winds. Once again, we could be looking at a blizzard here. And those wind gusts perhaps reaching 50-60 miles an hour through central and southern areas, particularly close to the coast, and a colder day to come. We could just make 10 or 11 across the south, single digits for most. As we move out of Saturday into Sunday, which is New Year's Eve, of course, this area of low pressure will become slow moving, sitting pretty much on top of the UK, we think. So another very blustery day, strongest of the winds across southern Britain, certainly through the Channel. We could be looking in excess 60 miles an hour in exposure, plenty of showers, and these will have a wintry element to them again across central and certainly northern areas across Scotland. So gusty winds across south could lead to some disruption, further snowfall across the north, and quite a chilly day to come for all. So that's the New Year's Eve setup at the moment. It does look like as we push into the early part of January, we could see perhaps some brief, quieter spells at times, but I think on the face of it, it looks like it's going to stay unsettled, with further areas of low pressure moving and bringing spells of wet and windy weather at times. And I think we'll be on the colder side of the jet for much of the early part of January, certainly across central and northern areas, as you can see here. So an unsettled look to the first week of January 2024 with wet and windy weather followed by sunshine and showers, and there will always be a wintry element to the showers, particularly across northern areas, as it will stay quite chilly across the board. See you later.